In today's video, I will show you how to fix your SD card not storing data. Step 1. Check for full storage. The most basic reason your SD card might not be storing data is that it's simply full. Connect your SD card to your computer. Locate your SD card under this PC or devices and drives. Check the available storage space. If it's full, you'll need to free up some space by deleting unnecessary files or transferring them to another storage device. Step 2. Verify the connection. A loose or faulty connection can prevent your device from recognizing the SD card. Step 3. Test on another device. If the issue persists, try inserting your SD card into another device like a different phone, camera, or computer. If it works on another device, the problem might be with the original device and not the SD card itself. Step 4. Check for errors. Your SD card might have corrupted files or a damaged file system. Right-click on your SD card in File Explorer. Select Properties and then Tools. Click Check to scan for errors. Step 5. Update SD card drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause compatibility problems. Open the Device Manager, expand Disk Drives. Right-click on your SD card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Step 6. Format the SD card. As a last resort, you can format your SD card to erase all data and restore the file system. Right-click on the SD card in File Explorer. Select Format. Choose a file system. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most SD card storage issues. And to know more on SD card not storing data, click on the link in description.